So guys, you all have to agree that we all have played GTA Vice City once in our lifetime, no matter we played it on our friend's PC or on our own PC.
24 karat gold these days.
GTA Vice City is one of the famous games of the GTA series. The title is incredibly popular due to the interesting missions, the violence and the open world that it offers. However, if you do not have a great computer setup to play GTA Vice City, here is a list of games that are similar to the famous GTA title and will also run in a low-end PC. So basically in this video, I'll show you top 5 best games like GTA Vice City for the low-end PCs. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. Number 1. Max Payne. Max Payne is a third-person shooter which offers its players a story-driven game. Even if it is not an open world like GTA Vice City, there are few similarities the two share. So, step into the shoes of detective looking for justice for a refreshing change. Like GTA Vice City, the game has many interesting missions that you can accomplish. The title also offers enough vehicles and weapons that you can use to complete the missions. Talking about its minimum system requirements, this game just requires the operating system of Windows 95. It can also run on Windows 10 smoothly. Processor Intel Pentium 3 AMD Athlon MP. Graphics AMD Rage 128 Ultra 16 MB or Nvidia Vanta 16 MB. System memory 128 MB RAM, storage 600 MB hard drive space and DirectX 8 compatible graphic card. On number 2, we have Mafia 2. Mafia 2 is about the story of a gangster who dreams of establishing his dominance over other criminal families. You will be required to step into the shoes of this gangster and get your hands dirty to reach the top. When you are in the mood to explore, you can navigate the fictional world of this game in vehicle or by foot, just like GTA Vice City.
Take you home with me.
To play this game, you should have CPU Pentium 3GHz or AMD, RAM 1.5GB, operating system newer than Microsoft Windows XP, and video card Nvidia ATI Radeon or better. Total video RAM 256MB, hardware TLES, pixel shader 3.0, pixel vertex shader 3.0, sound card yes, free disk space 8GB, which is not a big deal. At number 3, we have The Godfather 2. If you love the massively popular 1970s movie trilogy, you can give the game series a try. The second game in the Godfather franchise, The Godfather 2, is loved for its action and drama. If you want to play a game like GTA Vice City in your low-end PC, you will certainly get a good gaming experience while playing the title.
I'm telling you the truth, Dominic.
I trusted you.
This game requires a minimum CPU of P4 2.8 GHz or faster, CPU speed 2.8 GHz or faster, RAM 1GB, operating system Windows XP Vista or newer, video card 256MB shader model 3.0 DirectX 9.0C, compatible with Nvidia or AMD, total video RAM 256MB, hardware yes, pixel shader 3.0, vertex shader 3, sound card yes, or free disk space at least 9GB.
I gotta tell you, Fredo, sometimes I love this job.
On number 4, we have Sleeping Dogs. Sleeping Dogs will feel like GTA Vice City with a martial art twist. The game has a very interesting story which revolves around an undercover cop who is having a tough time to stick to the law as he is struggling to serve justice. Like GTA Vice City, the game is very violent when it comes to the missions that you will have to fulfill. The vast and the detailed open world of the game will also remind you of the game.
This is your last chance.
You need operating system Windows Vista or newer, processor Core 2 Duo 2.4 GHz or Alton X2 2.7 GHz, memory 2GB, hard disk space 15GB, video card DirectX 10 or 11 compatible to Nvidia or other AMD game cards, DirectX 10, sound DirectX compatible sound card.
It's war now.
Number 5, The Saboteur. If you like GTA Vice City, you will like this game as well. as it also offers thrilling adventures for you to be a part of. With World War II as the backdrop, this game was also applauded for its intense soundtrack. Travel back to the German-occupied France and complete exciting missions. If you feel bored of completing these tasks, you can also go ahead and explore the open world that the game
You may be
offers.
asking yourself, what's an Irishman doing in Paris?
This game requires a minimum of operating system Windows Vista SP1, Windows 7, 8 or 10, processor Core Duo Dual Core 2.4 GHz or AMD equivalent, memory 2 GB or more, hard drive at least 7 GB of free space, video card NVIDIA GeForce 7800 GTX with 256 MB of VRAM or ATI Radeon HD 2600 Pro with 256 MB of VRAM.
I can see that you are a busy man, Irishman.
So these were some of the games that you can play on your low-end device to get a feel of GTA Vice City. Hope you liked the video. If you feel something informative in the video, then do share it with your friends and cousins. Also do subscribe my channel for more such videos.